Hello everyone, welcome to my English everyday class. Today we are going to learn 8 parts of speech. Parts of speech in हिंदी इंग्लिश ग्रामर का एक महत्वपूर्ण भाग है. पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच को हिंदी में शब्द भेद या भाषा के भेद कहते हैं. पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच का प्रयोग अलग अलग तरह से वाक्यों को बोलने में और लिखने में किया जाता है. In parts of speech, words are divided into 8 types. Using these 8 types of words properly to form a complete sentence known as part of speech. We have 8 parts of speech. यहाँ पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच के प्रकार दिए जा रहे हैं, जिसका नाम है नाउन यानी कि संज्ञा, प्रनाउन सर्वनाम, एडजेक्टिव विशेषण, वर्ब क्रिया, एडवर्ब क्रिया विशेषण, प्रेपोजिशन संबोध सूचक अव्यय, कंजंक्शन समुच्चय बोधक, इंटरजेक्शन विस्मयादिक बोधक. Let us see the first part of speech, that is noun, sankhya. A name of a person, place, thing or idea is known as a noun. There are examples like cat, fireman, house, pencil, Chicago. These are the examples of noun. A complete sentence where a dogs are very faithful animals. So here the noun is dogs and animals. Next is pronoun, which is sarvanam.
Weddings I made for this. So
A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. हम हमेशा एक व्यक्ति का नाम नहीं ले सकते. उस व्यक्ति के नाम की जगह हमें सर्वनाम यूज़ करना चाहिए. दैट इज़ प्रनाउन. एग्जाम्पल आई, ही, शी, इट, दे. इसका कंप्लीट सेंटेंस है दे आर सेलिब्रेटिंग देयर ग्रेजुएशन पार्टी. द प्रनाउन, द सर्वनाम, what is the sarvanam in this sentence? The sarvanam or the pronoun in the sentence is they. Next comes kriya, means verb. So a verb is a part of speech that tells something about the noun or the action which the noun is doing. For example, sitting, laughing, watching, everything is a verb. For example, the bird chirped loudly in the morning. So the verb is chirped. Next comes adjectives, that is visheshan. A word used to modify or to describe a noun. हमें एडजेक्टिव को कैसे डिस्क्राइब और द नाउन को कैसे डिस्क्राइब करना चाहिए, दैट इज़ नोन एज अ एडजेक्टिव. That is visheshan. Example, happy short, sad. You're describing the noun, how the noun is, how the person is. Is it if he or she is tall, short, fat or thin? So we are describing the noun. So the example is he wants a small pizza. Now he is what over here? He is a pronoun. Small is what is over here? Is an adjective. And pizza is what? Pizza is a noun in the sentence. Next comes adverb. Adverb यानी क्रिया विशेषण. A adverb itself says add to the verb. Something which we add to the verb is a adverb. So, something modifies the meaning of the adjective or the other things, or tells something about the verb. Tells you when, where, how, in what manner does the action is performed. Many of the adverbs end with ly, but not always. There are few examples like cheerfully, briskly, they are ending with a ly. There are also others examples of adverbs. For example, fast, never, now. These are adverbs. The complete sentence is he quietly asked me to leave the venue. So here the adverb is quietly, which is ending with ly and which is telling more about the action verb. Next comes preposition, means संबोध सूचक अव्यय, means a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its location or the direction. May also show how the noun or the pronoun is relating. Preposition tells something about the noun, the place where it is located. For example, with, against, by, from, under, over, in, on, out. Example, you can see in the picture, the rat is under the box, over the box, in the box, on the box, in front of the box, behind the box, or next to the box. So these are the words under, over, in, on. These are preposition. It finds out the location of a noun. For example, the rat is behind the box. Next is conjunction. Samucha bodak. A conjunction is a word used to connect the words, phrases, and the clauses. For example, and, but, और because. कंजंक्शन यह शब्द होता है जो दो सेंटेंसेस, दो वाक्यों को जोड़ता है. जो वर्ड दो वाक्यों को जोड़ता है उसे कंजंक्शन कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही यूजुअली ईट एट होम बिकॉज ही लव्स टू कुक. So here the conjunction is because. So there are more coordinating conjunctions such as for, and, nor, but, or, because, and. These are conjunction. Next, the last part of speech is interjection. Interjection, always remember, an interjection is a word which expresses a sudden emotion which comes out. That is, and it is also used with a exclamation mark. The sentences or the word is used with the exclamation mark. Example, oh dear, my goodness, wow, ouch, yes, no. There are many examples in the picture also. And a full sentence is, ouch, it is painful. So the sudden emotion is ouch. And it is ending with the exclamation mark. This mark which is there next to the word ouch is an exclamation mark. This is the sudden emotion which comes out. So we have already covered the 8 parts of speech today. So for your practice, identify the parts of speech in the given examples. Thank you. For more videos, I'll be also bringing up the advanced level of parts of speech, that is noun, types of noun, preposition types, verb types, pronoun types, everything, adjectives, types of adjectives, adverbs, types of adverbs. I'll be always bringing you more such videos. So thank you. If you like the video, please put a thumbs up. Thank you very much.